Today we're making school pizza. I am here with my little sister Leah and my baby brother Newton.
Hi, we're making school pizza.
We're making school pizza. I'm making school pizza.
Hi, I'm Layla and you're in the kitchen with Layla. Today we're going to be making school pizza. The first thing you do is preheat your oven to 475 degrees and spray your pan with Pam and lay parchment paper down. Now we're going to make the sauce. It is best that you make the sauce the day before, but here are your ingredients. A 6-ounce can of tomato paste, 1 cup of water, 1/3 olive oil, 2 garlic cloves minced, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper, ½ tablespoon dried oregano, ½ tablespoon dried basil, and a ½ teaspoon of dried rosemary crushed. Now we're gonna make the crust. First you need a big mixing bowl. Then you add 2 2/3 cup of flour, 3/4 cup of powdered milk, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 packet of quick rise yeast, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 2/3 cup of warm water, 105 to 110 degrees, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Just a reminder that powdered milk is the same as dry milk. In a large bowl, mix flour, powdered milk, sugar, yeast, salt, and whisk it to blend. Add oil to hot water, 110 to 115 degrees, and pour it into your mixture. Stir with a wooden spoon until batter forms. Don't worry about the lumps. You just want no dry spots. First, you're gonna pour your dough into your pan. Spread the dough using your fingertips until it's even. If the dough doesn't want to cooperate, let it rest for 5 minutes and then try again. Bake just the crust for 8 to 10 minutes. Remove it from the oven and set it aside. Brown your meat until it is done. Drain it and then set it aside. Get out the pizza sauce to partially baked crust and get ready to assemble. Sauce spread all over the crust. Take your meat and your cheese and sprinkle it all over the pizza.
Spread it out evenly.
Walk me first.
Okay, Leah.
Walk
You go
me
to the.
first.
You can help Layla, but go to
Walk
the.
me
Let Leah come
first.
on this side. Spread it out, Leah. You gotta shake it. Make sure it's even, because if not, somebody's not gonna get some meat. Sprinkle it all over.
She's too good.
Sprinkle it all over.
Oh, don't eat it.
Leah, stop eating.
Nothing.
Not for you to eat, girl. So we're about to put it in the oven. Ready?
Bake at 475 degrees for 8 to 10 minutes until cheese melts and begins to burn. Remove from oven and let it stand for 5 minutes. Cut in slices and serve. There you have it, your school lunch pizza. Served with your favorite sides, and there you go. Delicious. Join me in the kitchen next time. Bye. You've been in the kitchen all day. We'll see you next time.
Is it good, Mary? This is our school lunch. Mary, what are you doing? Huh? 1, 2, 3, go. Hi, we're making school pizza.